The French submarine Gustave Zédé was the lead boat of the class of submarines built for the French Navy during the 1910s. During World War I, Gustave Zédé sank in the Adriatic Sea on 24 August 1916 due to an explosion in her batteries, with the loss of 4 of her 40 crew. She was subsequently refloated, repaired, and returned to service. See also: List of submarines of France. Citations. Bibliography. Cowhit, Jean Labelle, 1974. French Warships of World War I. London, Ian Allen. ISBN 0-7110-04455. Gardiner, Robert and Gray, Randall, 1985. Conway's All the World's Fighting Ships 1906-1921. London, Conway Maritime Press. ISBN 0-85177-245-5. Guerrier, Gerard, 2002. A l'épreuve de la Grande Guerre. L'Odyssée technique et humaine du sous-marin en France, in French. 3-2. Bourg-en-Bresse, France, Marines edition. ISBN 2-909-675-81-5. Guerrier, Gerard, 2000. Desclarend, 1912-1916, O'Diane, 1912-1917. L'Odyssée technique et humaine du sous-marin en France, in French. 3-1. Bourg-en-Bresse, France, Marines edition. ISBN 2-909-675-54-8. Roche, Jean-Michel, 2005. Classement part types. Dictionnaire des bâtiments de la flotte de guerre française de Colbert et nos Joueurs 2, 1872-2006. Tallinn, Roche. ISBN 978-2-9525917 0-6. OCLC 165,892,922. External links. Gustave Zédé class on Navipedia.org.